Hi friends, in before section I discuss about identity operators and membership operators. In this section I will discuss bitwise operators. Bitwise operators are and are XOR and not left shift operator and right shift operators. These are the bitwise operators. Before understanding the bitwise operators, first we need to learn how to convert numbers to binary numbers. How to convert numbers to binary numbers. Here I take x equal to 10. Here if I want to binary form of 10, print binary of 10. Here 0101 is the binary number, binary form of 10, and here 0b represent the binary. 0b here represent the binary form. And next here I take y equal to 15 and print binary of y. This is the y value. And next bitwise operators are another way of learning how to convert numbers to binary form is, see, always binary numbers are in 8 bits only. Always take binary numbers are in 8 bits. First bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 128 is 8 bit. Next, I want binary number of 10. Then check 128 is greater than 10. So 0. 64 also greater than. So 0. 32 also greater than 0. 16 also greater than 10. 0. 8 is less than 10. So it returns 1. And 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is greater than 10. So it returns 0. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So it returns 1. And 8 plus 2 plus 1 is 11. It is greater than 10. So it returns 0. And the next is 0101. This is the binary form of 10. Next, in bitwise operator, print x and y. The value is 10. Once observe, this is the, here observe and it is in very light color. This is the binary form of 10, and this is the binary form of 15. In and if both the statements are true, then only it returns true. Here one statement only true, so it returns 0. Both the statements are true, 0, 0, 1. 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So it returns 10. Next, print x or y, 15. See, this is the R. In R, if any one of the statement is true, then it returns 1. Here, one statement is true, true, true. Both statements are true, then also it returns true. One statement is true, true, true. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So it returns 15. Next, print XOR X or this is the XOR symbol. Print XOR Y 5. See, this is the XOR. This is the 10, 15. In XOR, once observe the definition. In both statements, in both numbers, only one of two statement is true, then it returns true. Only in SAR, only one of two is true, then it's return true. See, only one of two its is one, then only it returns is one. One of two its is one, then only it returns is one. Here only one is true, so it returns one. Both are true, but here the XOR rule is only one statement is true, then only it returns true. So it returns 0. Here only one statement is true, so it returns 1. Both statements is 0, so it returns 0. The value is 1, 2, 4, 5. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4, 5. So it returns 5. And the next is not value. This is the not symbol. Print not x minus 11. I'll tell how it is minus 11. Here not means it is opposite the, if plus means it's minus, minus means it's plus, like x equal to minus x minus 1, minus x minus 1. Here the value is, x value is minus 10, x value is 10, so minus 10 minus 1 minus 11. Here the value is minus 11. Like that it returns values. Here I got one doubt, both 10 values and minus 7 values is similar or not? Both 10 values and minus 7 values is same or not? Yes, it is exactly same. Here I written how this is same. See, this is the 10 value, and here I did one's complement. One's complement is nothing but just just change, just flip the numbers. Flip me here 0 to 1s, 0 to 1s, 0 to 1s, 0 to 1s, 1 to 0s, 0 to 1s, 1 to 0s, and 0 to 1s, like that. And for 11, first do one's complement. One's complement means just flip the numbers, and here I did 2's complements also. 2's complements is nothing but just add one number, just add 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Once observe, 10 value and minus 11 value is same. 10 value 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Both values are same. And once practice, print, once take print x equal to 15, and once practice you also. And the next one is left shift operators and right shift operators. See, left shift operators means this is the binary value of 10. In left shift operator, first two positions from left will be removed and all other binary bits will be moved towards left. See, first two positions, these position will be removed. and here I got 0 0 1 0 1 0, and in remaining two positions we add 2 bits 0 0. This is the value. The value of this is 40. 1 2 4 8 8 plus 16, 8 plus 32, 40. See, the value is 40. Here I will explain clearly. For example, here I take x equal to 10. X, for example, here I want only x left shift operator of 2. Answer is 40. Here x value is print binary of x. This is the binary form of x. First 4 bits take zeros and 1 0 1 0. And first from left side we remove 2 bits. The answer is 0 0 1 0 1 0. And remaining two parts we added 2 bits. Then answer is 1 2 4 8 plus 16 plus 32. 1 2 4 zeros plus 16. 16 plus 1 2 4 8. 8 16 is 0, so we can't add. Next 32. 32 plus 8 is 40. So it returns 40. For example, here I want x left shift operator of 3, 80. Because it remove first removed first left 3 operators. It removed left 3 operators. Then answer is, it removed first left 3 operators. First it removed left 3 operators. Then answer is 0 1 0 1 0. 0 1 0 1 0. And at last we add 3 bits. Here the answer is 1 2 4 8 16. 16 plus 16 32 plus 64. 64 plus 16, answer is 80. I will tell in another manner. 128 is greater than 80, so it returns 0. 80 is greater than 80. Next is 64. 64 is less than 80, so it returns 1. Next is 32. 32 is 32 plus 64. 98. 98 is greater than 80, so it returns 0. Next is 16. 16 plus 64. 64, 74, 80. It is equal to, so it returns 1. Next 64 plus 16 plus 30, 16, 96, 0. Remaining all are zeros. We know how it is zeros. Like that. And right shift operators also similarly like that only. See, print right shift operator. Right shift operator means first it will take right 2 operators. It will remove right 2 operators and it will print remaining operators. At last it add 2 operators. I give one example. X rate of 2, value is 2. Here x value is 10. Print binary of 10. X 1 0 1 0. X value is 10. 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. Right shift operators means it first removed right 2 operators, because here I take right shift 2, so it first removed 2 operators. 0 0 0 0 1 0. It first remove right side two operators. At last it add two operators. At last it add two operators. At last it add two operators in left side. Here the value is 1 2, so it returns two values. And this is all about bitwise operator. I know it's little bit confusing, but don't panic about bitwise operators, because in real lifetime in real Python, here its using of bitwise operators is very rare. So just practice bitwise operators, but don't panic. Thank you.